VIVK, a socially responsible operator, has signed a 10-year contract with Hot Oil Transport, a supplier of asphalt materials, for the purchase of up to 50,000 tons of rateable asphalt cement from VIVK's Vernal, Utah, site. This contract could be valued at up to $250 million over the life of the contract, provided that VIVK is able to ramp up and operate its Vernal, Utah site at full capacity. HOT is one of the largest road construction companies in the state of Nevada, with revenues of more than $500 million annually. Under the agreement, VIVK can provide HOT with up to 50,000 tons of rateable asphalt cement from VIVK's Vernal, Utah, upon completion of anticipated scaled-up operations, annually for a period of 10 years. Pricing will be based on the asphalt wholesale index price for the Rocky Mountain region at the time of delivery. The VIVK Group, a Utah-based asphalt wholesaler, has announced a contract for the sale of asphalt at a price of $250 million over the life of the contract. This would amount to a total investment of up to $250 million by VIVK. If the contract is successful, it would be the largest such sale in history.